Hello friends, and today in this video of WordPress tutorial we are going to talk about WordPress plugin that will help you get rid of these things, that is date, author, leave comment and edit links just that you see just below the title of your post. And many times you don't want to show these things on your WordPress site. I don't think they looks very pretty, and if you too like me wants to get rid of these meta tags, actually these are called meta tags, then you can use a plugin that I'm going to show you in this video, and also giving you a link from where you can download this WordPress plugin, so you don't have to search in WordPress, though I will give you the search keyword that you can use to find that exact WordPress plugin that I am using in this video. And I have already tested, and this plugin is really very good, and you don't have to do any settings, just install this plugin and everything is fine. Okay, let's get to our dashboard and go to plugins, click add new, and in the search bar just type WP author date and time, date and meta remover. Okay, just type WP author date and meta remover and click on the button that says search plugin. Okay, the first plugin that you see is Jonial Odell. Jonial is a plugin that you need to download and install. You can also always check the details. Okay, you can also see the screenshots, and before installing this plugin you see date, author and everything, but after installing this plugin you will see everything has been removed. Okay, now let's install this plugin and we'll see the magic very soon. Once this installed, ask for activation, activate as usual, and you don't have to do anything, it's done. And let me refresh the page. Okay, everything from below the title has been removed, and this is what you want. Okay, and I hope you like the video, and you can always get the plugin link in the description that will take you to my. So guys, this plugin is used and tested by me, and I'm so using on various WordPress sites, and it's really very helpful if you don't want to show author name, date and time and everything. You can remove that at once. You don't have to do any settings and all that. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe. Do subscribe for more videos on WordPress, better plugin, better website. Thank you.